Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the freezer doorstop on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to detach the top hinge cover. Support the door and use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift off the hinge and have an assistant help you to remove the freezer door. Set the door on a towel or blanket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screw to release the old doorstop. Install the new doorstop by aligning it on the bottom of the freezer door, then thread the mounting screw. Make sure the spacer is in place on the center hinge, then realign the freezer door on the hinge pin. Confirm the spacer is in place, then reposition the top hinge. Thread the screws to secure. Snap on the cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.